2017 Veloster Hyundai. What we got done on it, it's got factory converter up there. Then we put on it Vibrant 12-inch muffler. I'll get you a part number later on. And then everything else is stock, and he had it done somewhere else. He had a muffler delete there. So there you go. Muffler delete and Vibrant in the middle, right there. He was too loud for him. He wanted it a little bit, he wanted it toned down a little bit. So it's a Veloster Turbo. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Better? It's more smooth. Sound decibels. All right, go ahead and back it up. Right at 100. It's like it's got water in it or something. It's drowning. Yeah. It sounds good though. It's quieter. Because you don't want it that loud, you know, all the time. Turbo. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments.